this video, I will show you how to book Airbnb in downtown Toronto, Canada. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go over to airbnb.com or access Airbnb on your mobile by going to the app or accessing Airbnb through the browser as well. After that, make sure you are logged into a verified account. So assuming you have that done, let's dive into the video. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to the Airbnb home tab or the home screen. And from here we can see anywhere, and we're going to click on this. And here we're going to type in Toronto in Canada. So let's take this one. And then here you need to add in the check-in dates and the checkout dates. So I'm just going to select a weekend in March. And I'm going to add 2 guests to this trip. Now after everything is filled in correctly, click on search. Right now you will already see some places in Toronto. And you can also use this map to just select the location where you want to stay. So as you can see, we are in Toronto. And the more you zoom in, the more your results will be based on the area that you are zooming in on. So let's say I'm zooming in on this area, you will see that it will only give me results that are in this area. And these are the results for there. So right now you can basically make a selection based on where you want to stay. So let's say we want to stay in downtown Toronto. Then we're going to select this part in here. And now we only see stays in downtown Toronto. So now you can go ahead and select a stay that you like. And you can also add filters in here. So let's say you want self-check-in, wash your free parking, stuff like that. You can adjust the price range. So let's adjust it a little bit. You can select if you want a room, an entire home, or just no preference in any type. You can select the amount of bedrooms, basically everything that you want. You can adjust that in here. And after you have the filter set, you can click on show places. And in here you can see how many places are available for your filters that are applied. So let's say I like this one. Then I'm going to click on this. And right now you can read through the details. This is usually really important because this is information given by the host. So always make sure that you read through that. You will see where you will sleep, what the place is offering. It's always good to read some reviews and some ratings. You can see the location again, and that is downtown. And if everything is okay, you can scroll up and then click on reserve if everything is all right. And down below you will see what you will be paying. So paying for the stay, a cleaning fee, an Airbnb service fee, and some taxes. And after everything is all right, you're going to click on reserve. And now you can select if you want to pay it right now, pay in parts, or just pay over time with Klarna. And you can also go ahead and select your payment method. And you can access more methods by clicking on more options. So you can also message the host to make some requests or just communicate the arrival time and stuff like that. And if everything is all right, you can click on confirm and pay down below. And that is how you book Airbnb in downtown Toronto, Canada. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.